Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. As I did a review before and I'm doing it again, it means a lot to me when a company reaches out to me. In this situation, I got a cap a little bit earlier before release date, and there was no obligation on this cap for me to do a review or on it or beforehand before the release. And so Peaky Hat sent me a couple hats here to review. They have the Bob Wayne cap, which is the Peaky style cap for this. It's I read the story on that. It's pretty gut wrenching. A lot of bad memories myself with the terrible disease called Parkinson's. I lost an uncle to that about 2 years ago now, and reading the story behind the Bob Wayne, and I fought back some tears on that because it brought back memories that weren't the best. From reading what he wrote on there, I know exactly what you're talking about. And Ryan, only I can recommend is me personally going through that is remember all the good times, because those bad times near the end, those aren't going to be very memorable, and they're going to last. But just to fight through it and remember the good times, because like I said, I know how it is, and terrible disease, and it's I feel for you, brother. But anyway, I had Ryan and Ryan 2.0 reach out to me, send me a couple caps. I'm going to go ahead and review these. These are the Bobby. These are a suede cap. Let's go and get right into it. Use my teeth because I don't use knives. From a previous subscriber told me don't use the knives, be different. All right, so here they are. Of course, we get the little placard card here, little thank you card. And like I said, this is the Bobby. It'll be released tomorrow. So, shows how to steam the cap, other good stuff. As always, again, world-class customer service here at Peaky Hat. And yeah, I'm already going to tell you right now, these feel amazing. And again, these are the Peaky hats here, the bags that came with them. And this one here, I saved these. I actually store the caps in these. And but yeah, you know, I just want you guys to know, like I said, I'm still after reading that. It was tough for me to read. I don't want to waste any more time on that, but like I said, prayers to you guys. And but yeah, so we have the Bobby. This is the camel. Really cool looking guy. And like I said, it's a suede cap. And I got the navy blue. Great looking caps. I mean, these feel absolutely amazing. Again, these are the Bobbies. And let me go and take the stuffing out of this. Same type of thing as everything else. I got the, I don't know how these sizes were. I don't remember. I think I just got the large. Yeah. These are as large, and I believe they go from 59 to 60 and a half. And again, on the camel one, this is large as well. Of course, you got the Bobby, Peaky Hat. And again, great feeling caps. I don't know what it is about these Peaky hats, but they're so lightweight, but they're so comfortable. And this is no different. I mean, this feels absolutely amazing. I mean, it's got the silk on the inside. And these are the two together. But I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to show you a close-up of these. And I'll be right back. And here's a close-up of the two. Of course, this is the camel and the navy blue. And it's incredibly soft to the touch. And it's got like a soft suede-like fabric to it. It's really nice. And, but yeah, these are beautiful caps. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and show you the inside here. Again, you got the suede. We can see my fingerprints when I go the other way when you go against the grain. And there's the Peaky in the Bobby, large. Let's go to the blue. See how it's turning the fabric the different kind of ways here. And the Bobby, Peaky, these are both larges. Really beautiful caps. So we're going to go ahead and pause the video again. I'm going to try them on. I'll be right back. So another good thing about this is that a portion of the proceeds that are from this cap, from the sales, it is going to go ahead and go to the Parkinson's disease research, which is really cool. And it's going to help with the research of that terrible disease of Parkinson's. And like I said, prayers with you guys. And let's go ahead and try these bad boys on. We're going to do the camel one first. Give it a nice little bend on the brim. Holy cow. How? This cap's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Beautiful cap. So soft to the touch. Again, this is the camel one. This cap's perfection. Absolutely perfection. Automatically in my top 3 caps just by trying them on. And I haven't even worn them outside yet. So soft. Let's go ahead and do the navy blue. Of course, you got the strings if you need to tighten them. I don't need to do that. They fit perfect for me. Navy blue. Yeah. Yes. When I think of a cap and what I want it to feel like and look, this is it. This is absolutely it. 100% amazing. Great feel. Great look. Wow. Wow. Yeah, amazing. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Ryan 2.0, for sending these to me in advance so I can do I know you guys didn't ask me to do a review, but I went ahead and did one. It does get released tomorrow, which is Friday, I believe the 12th, December 12th. And this is the navy blue, and this is the camel. It does come in 2 other colors as well, I believe. I believe it might be 2 or 3 other colors as well. If you do not own a Peaky Hat, the OG Solo is amazing. The Apple cores are amazing. But the Bobby, it beats those. It absolutely beats those on my list. It absolutely beats those on my list. Amazing cap, amazing cause. Which one do you guys like better? Do you guys like the camel or do you guys like the navy blue? This is the camel. Man, oh man, oh man. You guys outdid yourself. You guys literally, the suede feel, great. Like I said, great job. These are amazing caps. Again, pick it up tomorrow at peakyhat.com. And this is the Bobby. Good job. Good job. Great job. Reviews and Moves here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.